This is Phoenix, Arizona. And look at all this fucking rain and all this fucking flash floods and shit. This weird ass day today. This ain't no place but Phoenix. It should not be happening. This shit's crazy, man. Look at that. There's even fucking paramedics and shit over there.
Oh, so it's the same drive. Man, dude, that's that accident. Oh yeah, Steve, Michael, they're all still across the street.
There's a lot of water going on, that's why.
Yeah. That's good.
It rains, but it don't rain like this a lot.
I don't know. When he died.
This is like... There's bags, there's trash floating down the street and everything.
Hey, get back, get back.
Let me see if I can zoom in.
Stick.
Huh?
Stick.
Well, all the stick? Damn.
What's me at a pole right now? Now it's a perfect shape.
Damn. This is the front yard right here.
Oh yeah, it's all
Every time they drive by, more water comes over here.
I wonder if it's actually gonna like go into the front yard.
Look, it's just going over the sidewalk.
Shit, you look at my pants.
Someone got in a crash over there. I can't even see it. I'd have to go get wet to go see it, and I'm not about to get wet. It's Phoenix. That's a Phoenix bus, just in case you didn't believe me that it was Phoenix.
Oh, now I should go run over.
I'm like, that ain't Phoenix. Yeah, it is, nigga.
What do you know about Phoenix?
Look at this car over here trying to make it. Trying to get through. He's like, I could do it! I could do it!
Oh no! What's going to go wrong?
Oh yeah, there's that dumb driver law too. Anyone who gets stuck in water out here, they gotta pay all their own shit. Damn, look at that truck. Look at that truck. That's a truck right there. Get him all the way. He's a motor. Another thing floating down the street. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's paramedics now. Now, at first it was just the fire truck.
Police.
Oh shit, the police are coming. And then you got the nosy drivers going slow. There's a white car like right there in front of the paramedics. You can barely see it. Someone got hurt in there. There's a damn tree. See if I can get a better angle. Nope. Even worse angle. The what? Oh shit, there's something like an upside down table as soon as they move out of the way.
Is that an upside down table?
It looks like an upside down something because there's 2 legs on it. Damn! We don't even got no ocean. We don't got none of that shit. That's all. And all this shit's happening.
We need to go find Moses, get on his ark.
No, you mean Noah.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Noah? Come on, Noah, we'll give you $500.
Man, there's a floating table. We got a shore in our front yard. You know what I'm saying? Now we get there, look at the trash can. We got trash floating down the street. Like it's just a thing to do. Buses going hella slow. Hella slow. Damn. They're making waves in our front yard when they drive by. Look at everyone's just, the table's just like, everyone's just driving around it. They don't give a fuck. They ain't trying to open the door to move it. They're like, I ain't getting wet. He's riding with his windows down. See, he's like, oh, it feels good. This never happened. Got a river now in front. You know what I'm saying? Our roads are rivers. It's the Phoenix Rivers. Man, I wish that brick wall wasn't in the way so we could see the people in the white car. I would go over there, but I ain't gonna get me or the camera wet.
Especially upstairs.
It's a rainy day in Phoenix, Arizona. But a really rainy day. We had one donut, all rims and one donut. Dan, this is just right here in front of my house. I can just imagine other parts of the city. I wonder if anyone else is recording this anywhere else.
I wonder how it is over my grandfather.
Yeah, like down by 35th and all that. I wonder how they're over there.
I didn't have to go work today.
Yeah, look at that river. That's really a river though. And from the front going down the street. Out of nowhere. For everyone who thinks that Phoenix is just a desert with no water, shit. Gotta think again. The hell is that shit? Well, that's a piece of. It looks like a piece of fence, like a little garden fence or something. That came from someone's house down the street. They're gonna be mad when they figure out what happened.
How about it down the street?
It's just all like this is all going down the street. All this is just going down the street, and it's perfectly going down the street.
Really?
Yep. See it?
Holy shit.
Damn, look at their front yard. Their front yard is way worse. Nah, not really. We just got grass to cover it up. If we had dirt and rocks like that, it'd look like this. Damn. We got a shore. We got the shore. Still paramedics. Oh, there's policemen now. Now there's police. This whole time. Yeah, I wonder if anyone got killed. I wouldn't even know because the damn brick fence. And I ain't trying to get wet. Let's see if someone got killed. The food slippers. The table's still there chilling. There's garbages. Bulk trash is gonna be cleaning up everywhere. paramedic or the fireman, whatever he is.